Check it out, guys. I found a super clean kit that allows me to put the Injora IR60 build on my Redcat Ascent 18. Not only does this fit the body on perfectly, it also gives you the options to put some cool accessories on there too. Here's our kit. Alright, this is from LNJ Canadian RC. Shout out to those guys. They did not send this to me. I just stumbled across it on Etsy. The kit's pretty cool. It's got some accessories in it. It's got like a little toolbox in the back, fuel cell. You can pick your colors there as well. I think there's 3 different options. Nice thank you note here. Handwritten thank you note here. He does not know who I am, so when he sees this on YouTube, let's see, he says, "Thanks for your support. Please send us pictures of your build to share with the group or leave a picture review." Oh boy, I'm about to blow up your world, my man. Components are very nice. I really like the print on these. Great looking stuff here. They got sliders as well. 1-piece sliders. Again, we'll ditch the 2-piece stock sliders. We got a different battery tray as well, by the looks of it. I was going to put this on my Injora LCG chassis kit build here. I don't know if it's going to fit. We'll see. It should work okay. Alright, I'm going to get tinkering with this, see if I can figure it out. But first impressions of this kit, it's really sharp. I like the accessories in the back. Like, look at those radiator fans right there. Very cool. Great detail on these. I really dig the fuel cell too. So I'm going to start tinkering, see if I can get this figured out, and then I'll circle back with you guys when I get it installed. Alright guys, check this out. I'm super impressed with this kit. Ended up switching it up and going to the pink Redcat Ascent that has the stock rails. I'll tell you why when we get into this, but look at this kit. Super clean, very, very sharp. I'm super impressed with the fit and finish of this. It went together so well. Everything fit perfectly. All the pieces lined up. I'm obsessed with the rear end of this. We'll look at this a little bit closer, but it's on. Look, it's nice and tight. Got the latch in the front, opens right up. If you didn't know that this was an aftermarket printed kit, you'd swear this was factory in here. So we've got the battery tray that comes with the kit. It's a little lower and compact, which I think allows for the body to close adequately. The sliders here are elevated, so as you can see, super tight against this body. They're also molded very nicely to the stock rails. This kit, depending on which level of kit you go, does require you to relocate your ESC and receiver, which I put on the slider here. So it was very simple installation. It comes with the new bumper that you put on here that works with the latch that comes with the IR60 body. In the rear, you've got this kind of chunky crescent piece here that replaces your rear bumper. Then the IR60 screws right onto that. Instead of having the body hinge on the IR60, it attaches right to that crescent piece. And then you've got a fully functioning body. Very, very clean. In the back here, now I did get the body kit with the accessories. You can get just the body kit itself for about 13 bucks, and that itself would have worked with the Injora LCG chassis kit. What I found was that these sliders would not work with the Injora rails because of the extra bolts right here, and I couldn't get the accessories on because of how the rear towers are on the Injora kit. So because I really wanted to run those, I went to Pink Cat that has the stock rails, and that allowed me to utilize the full suite of accessories here, which I love. This is super cool. Got the radiator fans in the back. You got the fuel cell there. This is why you have to remove your ESC tray in the back and relocate your ESC so you can get your fuel cell in there between the rails and your radiator fans in the back. Check out this battery box cover. Super clean. So this attaches right to the inside of the IR60 body. So you have those 3 bolts that attach the cab to the cage. The kit comes with longer screws, so it just screws right into the battery cover and closes right up. Super clean. I love the look of this. It's so cool. So I'm super pumped with this kit. Great job, LNJ Canadian RC. Highly recommend this kit. Now guys, you gotta let me know what you think of the wheels too. I was skeptical of the white wheels, but now that I see the white on white, I kind of dig it. But you guys gotta let me know what you think. I might explore some different wheel options. But in the meantime, I'm super pumped with this. I'm going to go hit the rocks and have some fun. We'll get some good footage of it out there running. Out in the backyard with the new Redcat IR60. Just doing a quick backyard crawl with this thing today. Just want to get some run footage for you guys. Swapped out the wheels and tires, put on the retro DJ crawler 1-inch wheels, wrapped them in the Injora Swamp Claws, the 64 millimeters. Like that retro look with the IR60 body. I think it looks really good. Oh, I'm so impressed with this kit. Came out so good. Love those accessories in the back. Oh, makes me want to take the springs off of the shocks to get that ride height down. I feel like it sits tall on the chassis, but it still feels really planted out here on the course. Plenty of room to clear those big tires. Oh, I'm so pumped I got this to work. This body fits perfect on the Redcat chassis and wheelbase. Super clean setup. I've got another LCG chassis kit on the bench for the Ascent, but I don't think I want to mess with this one. I'll probably leave this as the IR60 build and then do a more performance setup with the other chassis kit. I'll probably swap out that Injora kit for the new one that I got, because I'm really pumped with this. Alright guys, just want to do a quick video on this because I said when I found out a way to get this body on the Ascent 18 I would do a follow-up video, and here we are. I'm having a blast with this truck. Hopefully get it out on the rocks or go hit some more terrain than just the backyard, but did just want to get you guys some quick run footage so we could see it out doing its thing. It is everything that I expected and more. Such a great kit. This body is perfect for the Ascent. Really combines aesthetics and performance right here for a great setup. This kit has really exceeded all of my expectations. I was looking for just something simple that would allow me to fit the body on, but this kit takes it above and beyond with the super snug custom sliders, the accessories in the back. These are just icing on the cake. Not to mention how solid the thing is. It really feels like a factory add-on. So excellent job by LNJ Canadian RC. I will link their Etsy store in the description down below. Guys, make sure you check them out. And also, let me know in the comments, what do you think of the IR60 body on the Ascent 18? And as always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.